Oh,
Mama.
this thing is so gross.
Mama. Mama.
What? No, finish your pizza. Ew.
Why is it hanging on a spider web?
Oh.
It looks so cool. I wish you, Mama.
Yeah.
I wish that was my pet.
I don't. Guys, say hi to Lala and Uncle Tom. We're gonna send this to them.
Hello, Uncle Tom. Do you want this spider?
Should we bring him to your house?
No. We shall not bring them to their house. No. If you would bring them to their house, you would be holding them on the ride.
You know who makes this spider, don't you?
Who?
Satan.
I like that spider.
Even though Satan made him?
Yeah. Satan made this spider?
Uh-huh.
He is so cool.
Who?
The spider. Ow. Do you want to kill it?
Yes. I want to kill it like crazy.
I never want to kill that kind of spider.
Why? Look at his butt and his hard legs.
I like him. Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy, you know what, Dad? I don't want to kill Jasper because it's so big and I want to hear baby. I wish he was my pet.